Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Students, now it's turn for understanding the concept regarding exercise 2.8, that is again factorize the following. So sometimes students are a little bit confused regarding where we have to find which method. So basically it depends upon the algebraic expression being given to you people. Okay, again we have to factorize, mean again we have to simplify the algebraic expression that is being given to us. Okay, whenever there will be four terms, the basic concept to understand regarding these questions is we just have to make the pairs. Pair means two, means first we have to take first two elements and the last two elements, and we have to make the pair regarding these. Which thing is being common over there? First of all, 2 and 6. 2 is common over there. Okay. And the rest thing is A, B and B, C. B is basically can be taken as a common. So we can write 2B. So which things are being left over there among these two things? 2 common, B common, we just left with A. So we just have to write our A. Okay, then we have minus, clear, then 3 times 6, so we have to write 3 over there, B common, we are just left with C. Okay, now it is the rule and you people must have to take it very seriously in your mind. Whenever we have to take minus as common, the signs will be changed within the bracket. So when there will be no term common, we just have to take 1 as a common. So minus 1 will be common. Okay. So the things will be same as it is within the bracket, but with different sign. It is now being plus, and plus when we are taking minus, we are left with minus 3C. Okay. So we are just discussing that whenever we have to take minus as common, always the signs within that bracket will be changed. That was with minus sign, it is now be changed with plus sign, and that was with plus sign, it is changed to minus. Why? Because we have taken minus as common. And another very important thing you people must have to keep in your mind, when we are taking common among two pairs, the things which are being within bracket, that should always be same. If you people can do accordingly, it means you have taken so rightly the common things among these four elements. Okay, the next thing is that now this again will be a complete expression. Which thing is being common over there? Definitely the thing which is being within that bracket. So it's mean A minus 3C and A minus 3C is the common element. We can just write over there. What is the thing left with first? 2B minus sign, again this was taken as common, so we are left with 1. So this will be your answer, definitely with your equal sign. Okay, so students, let's take another example. Exercise 2.8, question number 8. We are given with 4 different things, so quickly we have to remind in our mind that whenever there will be 4 terms, we must have to take pairs, first 2 and last 2. We have to take the common things among these 4 by having the pairs of 2 and 2. Okay, x square minus 8x, so which is thing? There is 1 over there and this is 8, nothing is common over there, but x and x power 2, the least thing is x, so we can take x as common. The leftover thing will be just x minus x is common, so we are left with just 8. Okay, minus sign. Regarding 4 and 32, 4 is the least thing, so 4 will be taken as common. We are left with just x, and because we have taken minus as common, so sign will be changed, it will become minus. And 4, 8 times 32. First step is done. The same things are being over there in the bracket, so it means we have taken common rightly. So now these things are being common from these two terms, so we have to write x minus 8 as it is. What will be the remaining element? From this side just x minus 4. This will be your answer. Okay.